All right, our daily math review number 1, we're going to find the volume. So remember, volume is the space inside of the prism described in the situation below. So Alexa's bathroom has a tub in the shape of a rectangular prism. So she's got a bathtub, and it has a length of 1.5 meters. It has a width of 0.5 meters, and it has a height of 0.4 meters. How many cubic feet of water can her bathtub hold? So guess what? All we have to do is multiply these numbers. So let's go ahead and multiply. Here we go. So we have 1.5 times 0.5 times 0.4. So if we multiply, we have 1.5 times 0.5, and then multiply that by 0.4, and you will get 0.3, 0.3, or 0.3, and that is going to be, should be cubic meters, my bad. Meters should be meters cubed because volume is of a 3D object or a 3D image. So it is going to be 0.3 meters cubed. And that's going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job.